Shrine, what am I? Shook the spot last night. Forever remembered and flavored a lot. Leave traces of pot and wrinkles of mott's. Folks all remember Gerbil applesauce. Johnny mnemonic, apple seed for the greed. We germinate traces and braces like teeth. To believe in my culture, legacy sees. She breathes on a nipple, sucking pickles and shit. The bit is impressive, I'm massive, abrasive. Rock harder fans, always subjective. Eclectic, linguistic, a monument, tropic. Any topic you choose, I already done it.
Shake the spotlight's a pale horse of intellect, following behind his death in retrospect. How many squares of one classic chessboard? 8 times 8, counter space with a drawn sword. In the war words of Sheikh grasp new clarity. Standing in the town square yelling death to the Pharisees. Far I see, but still wait for an omen. Bad meaning good, withheld meaning stolen. With hell fiends on woman, but the Sheikh cannot run them. With no commonplace, with the dignity your son's him cleverly. In the upper valley, she can wait for the next mind state. And the next mind state is fallacy, the calling for correction by fire. Paths all crooked, straights all dire. Won't wear the wire cause it clashes with the feds. The blood pumps blue and the thoughts run red.
Known around the world for it's gonna get tried.
Shake the spot.
Shuffle through the times like yesterday's news. Yeah, you always gotta go and
Shake it, shake it.
know a couple hoes, but he bought a rubber shield.
Shake the spot.
Double take, demon daredevil wearing shoes.
Shake the spot.
Shake got the kind of gear where he shattering the ears of the switches coming near. He over automatic. Mannerisms clearly looking for the fresh, deep hidden in the chest of a poser eating cabbage. Normally his flesh on a single piece of cloth brought him overly the speed when he's sobering the damage. And I'm hoping that his shroud leaves all the overloud teens bling. Now later recovering in panic.
Shielded, I'm building forts as my forts, controlling my defense, long-lasting warts. Shake the spot, caution, naughty or luscious. Fat lips, I skate what I came, what I promised. My shield made of copper, it's proper, my brother. Michael Cooper, the coach, swarming helicopter. Doctor of shaking the spots, any dots. Remove them and moon you and Oshkosh bagosh.
Holding fast to the thought of being unseen heat. Shake the spot. Caramelize in a shadow sauce with a side of beans. What else do you want with it? Shake it, shake it. Salad with the croutons, 2 bomb weaponry. Shake the spot. Light speed up also with a low down nostril. Shake the spot.
Shake walked in a sweatshop, sunny like the heat from the desert. Better now we not there no more. Strapped like a set of sandals, shooting through the channel when the propaganda try to kill his caricature. ABC defeat his enemy by fitting his soul to the corporate herbivore. New balancing his actions, leaving all the empty Air Max bareback. Surface whore.
In a house of cards, strewn hot from the shuffle. Random lifts holds hard to the buckles. Wrestling a short bait, testing his weight. Rocks on his ankles, feathers in his cape. The Sheikh held suits since the comfort of his crib. Both hands integrated, seas through the bridge. Before distribution of alibis and illusion, the shuffle held truths that explained all movements. In the desert he walks hard enough to sweat rocks. Several telling times so as not to get got. You know, he knows life like the hairs on his hand. But humbly struck on the snares of his brand. And laughed at the treasures for a count of 10 measures. Searched the horizon for a sworn to endeavor. Could you tell a living path how to react? The answer still no, but the cards in his pack.
Known around the world for it's gonna get tried.
Shake the spot.
Shuffle through the times like yesterday's news. Yeah, you always gotta go and
Shake it, shake it.
know a couple hoes, but he bought a rubber shield.
Shake the spot.
Double take, demon daredevil wearing shoes.
Shake the spot. Holding fast to the thought of being unseen heat. Shake the spot. Caramelize in a shadow sauce with a side of beans. What else do you want with it? Shake it, shake it. Salad with the croutons, 2 bomb weaponry. Shake the spot. Light speed up also with a low down nostril. Shake the spot.
Risk. This is the story of you. Where you came from, how, and why you were born. It's the most fascinating, wonderful story in the world because it's the story of life. Well,